Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much if you're subscribed to this channel. I just recently passed 150 subscribers here on this channel, which was a goal of mine for a while, so thank you so much for helping me cross that goal. Today's video is a play with me using this kit from Planner Me. It's very winter themed. Planner Me is an Etsy shop. It will be linked down below. Just talking through some things on the base first. I did do sort of a mixed metal theme with my foil for this kit, so I did pull in a lot of the mixed metal silver and gold elements from the 6-year bundle from Scribble Prints Co. You'll notice that on the bottom washi overlays, the confetti overlays on the top of the spread, as well as the full box overlays, most if not all. Yes, all of the full box overlays, as well as the bow header overlays. In the sidebar, the January script is from Wendy Prince. The read script is from Murdoch Talks. The workout script is from Scribble Prints Co. And the self-care script is from Jessica Hartz. If you do have any questions about stickers that I missed, please feel free to leave a comment below. You'll also notice that I put the silver and gold confetti overlays on the flags. Those are also from the Scribble Prints Co. 6-year bundle. And my date numbers are in silver from Harriet Wright Designs, and I think that's everything for the base. I skipped over Monday, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask in a comment below. On the top of Tuesday, I put in a journal script from Harriet Wright Designs along with a personalized grayscale coffee cup from the Crafty Banana to mark gratitude journaling in the morning. On that flag, I used an icon from the kit, a book icon, and a homeschool script from Sticky Essentials, I believe, to mark school. I picked up a prescription this day. That script is from Letters to Apollo, and the icon is from the kit. I did some filming this day. It's another kit icon with a script from Harriet Wright Designs. I used a self-care and me time script with the gift icon from the kit to mark taking a bath this day. It's the same self-care script from the sidebar from Jessica Hartz, and the me time script is from Scribble Prints Co. I marked Netflix and chill this day with a TV icon label from the kit, and the Netflix and chill script is from Scribble Prints Co. I pulled in a Happy Meal script on top of that full box to mark getting some fun sticker Happy Meal this day. The Happy Meal script is one from the kit. I don't think you can see that here, but you will by the end of the spread. On the top of Wednesday, I marked a workout with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and that girl is from Fox and Pip. I marked uploading a video with a gray heart icon, YouTube button from Planning World, and an upload script from Kinsey's Creations. I marked working from home with the home icon from the kit, and that is the work script is from Murdoch Talks. I cleaned this day. I used a cleaning label from the kit with a script from Letters to Apollo, and I got caught up on The Bachelor this day. The icon is from Fox and Pip, and the script is from Letters to Apollo. I did some cooking. I marked that with a gold script from Sticky Essentials on a place setting label from the kit. I did like that I was able to pull in a lot of labels from the kit and icons that lent themselves towards exactly what I needed them for, which was nice. Over on to Thursday, I'm pulling in a few printed labels. I'm going to switch out that bottom one here in a second for something else. I pulled in an icon from the kit to mark laundry with a gold script from Scribble Prints Co. And then on the top of Friday, I'm marking in a workout with another Scribble Prints Co. script and a sneaker icon from White Deer Stationery. I've really been enjoying these virtual workouts 3 times a week in the mornings. I marked uploading a video with that same flag and overlay combination. The upload icon emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. and I used that same script from Kinsey's Creations. I'm going to switch out some things here in a second because I wanted to move that printed label over here in a second. I marked cleaning out the cat box with an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and that same script from Letters to Apollo. There's where you see that I moved some things around. And on that dark gray label, you'll see me marking work with a backpack from Fox and Pip and a work script from Scribble Prints Co. I'm going to move that up further up in the day, I think. No, maybe not. And then I'm pulling in another label to mark something very exciting. I got registered for my first COVID-19 vaccine through my county that I work for, which is very exciting. So I'll be getting that at the end of next week, but I got to register for it today. I FaceTime with my mom. I used a script from Murdoch Talks to mark that, and I paid a doctor bill. I used a script and an icon from the kit to mark that on the bottom of Thursday. Let's see, and then I'm pulling in that printed label. I moved it over to the bottom of Friday. I used a little planner kitty from Mixie Cut Stuff to mark planning next week. I planned the base for next week. Next week's Plan With Me is a very exciting one. It is my first collab. I am collaborating with Tay of Shantae Plans, which is just a dream come true for me. I'm so excited for that spread. I've put a lot of effort into that video already. And I'm really excited to hear her answers to the questions that I recommended. So, and I'm really excited to see how her spread turned out to go along with this collaboration. I know it's going to be awesome and probably knock mine out of the park. So, Tay, if you're watching this, I'm really looking forward to our collab next week. And that will be coming out on Sunday the 24th. On Saturday morning, I marked Snuggles with my kitty with a silver script from the Glitter Mama, I believe. I used that same flag overlay combination to mark laundry with a Scribble Prints Co. script and a Harriet Wright Designs icon. I called my dad this day, or he called me, and we talked for a while. I used a phone from Mama Gloria Shop to mark that, and a call script from Scribble Prints Co. There's that laundry combination there. I like that I was able to mix metals there with the silver icon and the gold script. I did also alternate my bougie boxes. I'm not sure if you're able to tell, but those are tapes from Rose Colored Days. And I did do my best to alternate silver and gold on my bougie boxes throughout the spread. In that half box, on the second half of Saturday, I marked cleaning. I did a lot of cleaning this weekend, and I Dranoed our shower's rain because it clogs pretty easily. I used that same Letters to Apollo silver clean script and a bleach bottle icon from Franny Lamb stickers. It doesn't match perfectly because there's a little bit of blue in it, but I thought it was neutral enough, and I want to use those up. I marked Netflix and Chill with an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and that same Scribble Prints Co. script. I marked ordering our groceries with a Munchkin doing online grocery order and a grocery shop script from Glam Planner. To mark ordering groceries. We have been watching The Vampire Diaries. I've seen the whole series. I watched it many years ago, but my husband and I are watching it now. We're about halfway through. If you have any show recommendations that have a good number of seasons that are already out, please let me know in the comments. We're thinking about starting Schitt's Creek once we're finished with The Vampire Diaries, but we're not completely settled on it yet. I marked Sleeping In on Sunday with a Sleepy Sheep emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I'm almost positive that that Sleep In script is from Letters to Apollo. I marked our cat sand delivery with a Amazon Mixie Cat Stuff icon and a Happy Meal script in gold from Netty Designs. I thought that combination was perfect. The little cat icon delivery, Amazon to mark cat related delivery. Wow, words. I marked our grocery delivery with a gold script from Kenzie's Creations, and that delivery bag icon is from White Deer Stationery. I marked our usual FaceTime lunch with my mom with a script from Harriet Wright Designs and another Mixie Cat Stuff video chat icon. And under that, I marked editing this video with an Edit Playing With Me script from Letters to Apollo. And the icon that again doesn't match perfectly because there's a little bit of blue in it, but I wanted to use these, is an editing girl from Stick With The Plan Co. And I put that on on the little patterned flag there, the top patterned flag. And then I pulled in another patterned flag on the bottom of Sunday to mark Netflix and Chill with that same Scribble Prints Co. script. And another Munchkin, Netflix watching Munchkin. I used a different one, as you could see on the bottom of Friday as well. And that is about it for this spread. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all being here and helping my little channel grow. It just makes me happy that I can make you all happy with these videos, and I hope it gives you a little bit of planner peace and something fun to watch, and it helps me be creative and organized, and I love it. There's a little wiggle for you. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you next week for a very exciting collab video with Tay. Can't wait. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.